5 of my 12 days of Christmas. So today, let's open what I have in this very cute and fun Christmas box. So, start with the smallest one. I got this one from Shopee. This is a perfume dispenser with a silver hardware. This is a white with marble design. And I'm planning to place my Body and Bath Works Sweet Pea Body Mist in this one. So nice. Very cute. Next, I got myself this is a mirror, rose gold color. So that is the mirror I have here. This one is the magnified area and the other one is for the regular mirror. The next one, got myself another gold clip. This is a gold clip that I got from a store in Shopee. I'll just link it below. And the last one that I have in this box is this AnneClutz brushes. I don't really use makeup, so I just bought her very cute pouch. So I'll show you. This is in gold, color gold. There. So that's her logo, AnneClutz brushes, and it has this very nice rose gold hardware. This is a flower with a rose gold zipper. At the back, it's just simple. On the inside is also like a non-waterproof inside. I'll just place my accessories here like my rings and bracelets. So these are the things that I bought today. All gold inspired accessories from Shopee, of course. It's the only white thing that I got. So these are the things that I got. Mostly gold inspired color items, accessories from Shopee, and I will just link it below in case you're interested in getting the same things. So I really hope you enjoyed day 5 of my 12 days of Christmas. Please continue to watch until day 12, and I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.